Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the solution to the problem string matching in an array. While the optimal solution to this problem will be linear, for instance we can just solve it in a straightforward fashion using a tree, though we'll have to implement a tree, that's tree as in TRIE, like retrieval. And also we can of course solve it in linear time using string matching. And probably the easiest way to solve it as string matching is to notice that this problem essentially can be reduced to us taking the words that we have, joining them into a single long sentence with some character that does not appear within words. This is a common trick with, for instance, KMP. So this is a string that's all the words joined by these separators. And now the word is a substring of another word exactly when it appears more than once within this joined string. So, if joint.count of w is greater than 1, then w is a correct word. We want to do it for w in words. And this list comprehension is our result. So we have here a two-line solution to this problem, which is n squared, because for every word we look at this whole joined string. Optimal solution would be linear, either by having this count being done faster, or by just using a tree. In that case, of course, a tree can represent a dictionary of words in such a way that when we want to see if our word appears in the dictionary or is a prefix of another one, and in general when we want to traverse a word within our tree, then we do it with a number of steps proportional to the length of the word that we're looking at. So first we create a tree which is O of n, and then for every word we only traverse its length, so this is another O of n.